In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache in Windows 11. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know several safe and effective ways to remove temporary files and cached data to free up space and help your computer run more smoothly. Let's start with the easiest built-in option in Windows 11, called Storage Sense. First, move your mouse to the Start button and click it. Then choose Settings. In the Settings window, click on System on the left side, and then look for Storage on the right. Give it a moment. Windows will scan your drives and show you how your storage is being used. Here, you'll see different categories like Temporary Files. Go ahead and click on Temporary Files. Windows will scan again and then list things like Delivery Optimization Files, Temporary Windows Installation Files, and Thumbnails. Take your time to read the descriptions. Most of these are safe to delete, but if you're unsure about something, you can leave it unchecked. When you're ready, check the boxes for the items you want to remove. Then click the button to remove files. Windows will process this in the background. Depending on how much data you're clearing, it might take a few minutes. Next, let's turn on Storage Sense so this cleanup can happen automatically in the future. Go back one step to the main storage page and find Storage Sense. Switch it on, then click into it to see more options. Here you can choose how often Windows runs cleanup, like every day, week, or month, and what types of temporary files it removes. Adjust these to match how you use your computer. If you're low on space often, choosing a more frequent schedule can really help. Now, let's clear some additional cache using the Disk Cleanup tool, which has been part of Windows for a long time. Click on the Start button and start typing Disk Cleanup. When it appears, open it. If you have more than one drive, choose your main system drive, usually labeled C, and click OK. Disk Cleanup will calculate how much space you can free up, then present a list of file types. Again, read the descriptions, check what you're comfortable deleting, and then click OK and confirm. This will clear more cached items and leftover temporary files. After you've gone through these methods, it's a good idea to restart your computer to make sure all changes take effect. Once your system comes back up, you should notice a bit more free space and often a smoother overall experience.